Before adding the fiberglass mat, I did a little light sanding on all the sharp edges and also blew everything off with the compressed air blowgun. Here I'm laying out the glass mat, trying to line it up nicely, trimming off edges. Um, you get in trouble when you have too much hanging off, so trim a little high and then do some overlap when you flip it. So I started out with about, I guess, a cup of epoxy that I put in the middle of the mat and then work it outward. Again, there are experts out there who know a lot more about this than I do, so watch one of their videos. I'm just trying to get the entire mat wet. I think that was coat 1. I think this is coat 2. I'm going to go to coat 3 here pretty soon, and then coat 4, and then we'll flip it. So here I come in, I'm flipping it, and watch out for the sharp stuff hanging off when you flip it. I'm probably going to do a little bit of sanding off. Maybe I didn't show that, but I bet I got out my flap disc and I worked on the corners there because that stuff hanging out is sharp. So same process on the bottom. Start from the middle, work outward. Notice I don't have too much hanging over the edge this time. If it hangs down too low, then you got to trim it off. So I can just smooth it out over that other layer. So this is coat 2, and now we're on coat 3, and now we're on coat 4. And then the very last step is just me doing a little bit of sanding and smoothing and making it not dangerous for the next step.